Hi guys, Aviation JFK here, back here with another video and another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the, as you can see, Lufthansa A380 by GeminiJets. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now this box is different to like other GeminiJets models. I think it's because it's like a licensed product or something that it's like, that it gets its unique box. Let's see if I can... Yeah, it says like here, an officially licensed product by Lufthansa. So that's why the box is silver, I presume. So just the model, and then let's get her out of the box. I got this one for Christmas. I have to say it's a very heavy model. So here we are with a closer shot. So we can go through the model in depth. Now this is my first A380 model. Been really excited to get this one. And this livery is absolutely beautiful with the new like blue. And I think the GeminiJets A380 model is a solid 9.5 out of 10. The only like gripe I'll show you in a minute, like the nose is a little bit weirdly shaped. But let's go through the model. So you see the exceptional amount of detail on the nose of the aircraft. It's like really nice. The landing gear is a rolling landing gear. It's like, it looks really crisp. And you have the Lufthansa titles in the new Lufthansa blue, in the darker blue. And you have the cockpit windows and the Star Alliance. You have the first L1 door and the first cargo door on the right hand side, sorry. You move on to the wings. These engines are like very nice. They're not like what Phoenix does. Phoenix like has these rims around the engine, like they're actually separate pieces, and it just makes it look a little bit less nice. Now like when it's painted on, it just looks so much like cleaner. You have the upper deck and the lower deck of course. Then like a ton of doors everywhere. Then we get to the Wi-Fi box. This little thing up here. And then you get to the tail where the blue runs down to the belly of the aircraft. The wings, what I like the most about the Lufthansa livery is that it's like, even though it's plain, the wings are white, which just give it like a cool, it gives the plane its unique own look. So yeah, here, and then I'll show you what I mean by the nose shape. So like it might not look so weird on camera, but it's like, it's a bit like rounded off too early, and then it's like a point. Like if you look at it from like this angle, the window, like the nose looks perfect, but if you go down to like a ground level, it does look a little bit off. I'll show you the underside of the aircraft. So you have the landing gear. It moves a bit. Well, this one moves a bit. So I don't think it's meant to be like that. It's just probably not glued in properly. You can see there's a bit of a gap there. But all the landing gear actually seem to roll. Like all of them roll nice. So yeah. And there's that blue that like runs down. You have the second cargo door. And then... So yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. I want to keep it short. This is going to be my last unboxing for a while. And probably until the summer. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a lot of videos coming out, purely because I am not doing a lot of aviation related stuff. I might start doing airport updates soon on my new airport. Keep a lookout for the how to build a model airport video. It might be out by now, I'm not sure. I haven't recorded it yet. I haven't finished editing it yet. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and review of the Lufthansa A380 in the new colours. Like and subscribe. If you like my content or like this video, please consider subscribing, because at the time of filming we are only at 5 subscribers. So it'd really mean the world to me if you could just give me that extra subscribe. Thanks for now, signing off. Bye.